Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic TV with a model number of TC- either 50, 58, or 65 GX700. I'll put those model numbers in the description. And you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you can do this either via the setup menu if you have access to it, or via the physical buttons if you don't. I'll go over both of those in just a second. But there's two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If your TV is not responding or not, the screen is not turning on, it's not making sound, it's not connecting to something. A hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Or if for whatever reason you just want to get a fresh start and set this TV up like it's a brand new TV with all the settings the way it was when it came out of the box. So if you have access to the setup menu in the controller, it's real easy. You can just hit the menu button on the controller, and then from the menu we're going to select setup, hit OK, and then factory default and hit OK. Simple as that. Setup, factory default, and then you'll just have to hit yes to confirm. If you don't have access to that, we can do it via the physical buttons. The TV does need to be able to turn on. You don't need the screen, but it does need to have power on it. The power needs to be on. So we're just going to find the volume down button on the TV and the menu button on the remote control, which is just below the power button on the left side. We're just going to simultaneously press and hold both of those buttons. Volume down button on TV, a menu button on the controller for at least 5 seconds. After those minimum 5 seconds have passed, we can just go ahead and unplug the TV and then release the buttons. Wait a few seconds, plug the TV back in, and when you go to turn it back on, you'll see it'll reset and then it'll start back up like it did the first time into its startup setup mode.